Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to start destination in map. In the beginning let's enter navigation, so let's press nav button and then press the middle button on the left bar. Enter destination, select address or select point on the map and then tap navigate. Select road between fastest, shortest, time distance and ecological. Press OK and the navigation has started. In order to stop the route, press this button again. Press the top button and select stop navigation. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.